All right, let's warm up with an easy one. Look at this expression, 2x plus 5x. What do we do when the variables are the same? Exactly. We combine them. Both terms have the variable x, so we just add the coefficients. 2 plus 5 equals 7. That gives us 7x. Remember, you can only combine like terms, which means the same variable and the same exponent. Here's another one. Simplify. 3a plus 7b minus 2a plus 4b. Now don't rush. Step 1. Find all the a's. That's 3a and negative 2a. Combine them. 3 minus 2 equals 1a. Then look at the b's. 7b plus 4b equals 11b. Put those together and you get a plus 11b. Good job. See how easy it is once you group the like terms first? Let's try something with a mix of variables and numbers. Simplify. 5x plus 3y minus 2x plus 4 minus y plus 7. Okay, let's group it carefully. For x, 5 minus 2 gives 3x. For y, 3 minus 1 gives 2y. And for the numbers, 4 plus 7 equals 11. Now bring everything together. 3x plus 2y plus 11. That's it. Take your time to identify each group before you simplify. Next, let's move to multiplication of terms. Simplify. Negative 3x squared times 4x cubed. When you multiply, you handle the numbers and the variables separately. Negative 3 times 4 equals negative 12. For x, since the base is the same, we add the exponents. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the answer is negative 12x to the 5th power. That's the product rule for exponents. Add the powers when multiplying same bases. Now let's mix multiplication and division. Simplify this one. 6a squared b times negative 2ab cubed, and then divide by 3a. First, multiply. 6 times negative 2 gives negative 12. A squared times a gives a cubed, and b times b cubed gives b to the 4th. So far, we have negative 12a cubed b to the 4th. Now divide by 3a. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. A cubed divided by a is a squared, and b to the 4th stays the same. Final answer. Negative 4 a squared b to the 4th. When in doubt, go step by step. Multiply first, divide later. Let's make it more challenging. Simplify. 8x cubed y squared divided by 4xy, then multiply the result by negative 3x squared y cubed. All right, first simplify that fraction. 8 divided by 4 gives 2. X cubed divided by x gives x squared, and y squared divided by y gives y. So now we have 2x squared y. Next, multiply by negative 3x squared y cubed. 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. X squared times x squared equals x to the 4th, and y times y cubed equals y to the 4th. Final answer. Negative 6 x to the 4th y to the 4th. Always simplify the division first. It saves you from messy exponents later. Finished no calculator section? Keep going in the GED Prep app with 2,000 practice problems and 24/7 AI Tutor. Okay, now it's time for some exponent rules. Simplify. b cubed times b to the 4th. Both have the same base, right? So we just add the exponents. 3 plus 4 equals 7. That's the product rule again. Your answer. b to the 7th power. Simple but important. Now this one combines two exponent rules. Simplify. Open parentheses. X to the 6th divided by x squared. Close parentheses, squared. Let's work inside the parentheses first. X to the 6th divided by x squared equals x to the power of 4. Because we subtract exponents when dividing. Now we raise that to the 2nd power. 4 times 2 equals 8. Final answer. X to the 8th power. See how we used both quotient and power rules together? Let's put it all together in one. Simplify. Parentheses 2, x squared y cubed, close parentheses squared, divided by 4xy squared. First, expand what's in parentheses. 2 squared is 4. X squared squared becomes x to the 4th, and y cubed squared becomes y to the 6th. So we have 4x to the 4th y to the 6th. Now divide by 4xy squared. 4 divided by 4 cancels to 1. X to the 4th divided by x gives x cubed, and y to the 6th divided by y squared gives y to the 4th. Final answer, x cubed y to the 4th. Excellent. You just used all 3 rules in one question. Now let's explore fractional exponents. Rewrite x to the 1/3 power as a radical. Remember the rule. The denominator tells us the root. So 1/3 means the cube root of x. The answer is the cube root of x. If the exponent were 1/2, that would be the square root of x. Simple pattern, right? Ready for something trickier? Simplify. X to the 1/2 power times x to the 3/4 power divided by x squared. All right, step by step. When multiplying, add exponents. 1/2 plus 3/4 equals 5/4. Then divide by x squared. Now we subtract exponents. 5/4 minus 2 equals negative 3/4. That's x to the negative 3/4 power. Negative exponent means move it to the denominator. So it's 1 over x to the 3/4 power, or 1 divided by the 4th root of x cubed. The key idea: add for multiplication, subtract for division. Let's finish strong with a tough one. Simplify. 2x to the 1/2 y to the 3/4 times 4x to the negative 1/4 y to the 1/4, divided by 2x to the 1/2 y. Okay, multiply the first 2 terms. 2 times 4 equals 8. For x, add the exponents. 1/2 plus negative 1/4 equals 1/4. For y, add the exponents. 3/4 plus 1/4 equals 1. Now we have 8x to the 1/4 y. Next, divide by 2x to the 1/2 y. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Subtract the exponents for x. 1/4 minus 1/2 equals negative 1/4. Subtract the exponents for y. 1 minus 1 equals 0, so y disappears. Final answer, 4x to the negative 1/4, which can also be read as 4 divided by the 4th root of x. That's how you simplify expressions with multiple fractional exponents, one step at a time. Great work! In just 10 minutes, you practiced reading faster, spotting arguments, making inferences, and eliminating tricky answers. Remember, inside the GEDprep app, you'll find hundreds of real passages, each with step-by-step explanations, and the AI tutor ready to guide you in multiple ways. Try it free today. Link in the description.